This is the staircase side of the building. We are just trying to start. Actually, I should give you the look of it. Once we start anything, then people will be aware. I want to really teach so many people how to really form a good and a sufficient staircase. I want to start by putting it right now. First of all, we'll start with the marking. We'll start with the marking, the staircase side of the building. The marking of the staircase. We are about to start the construction of the staircase. You people will see it. Look at the lines.